Here's our next flashcard, Sarah. What's happening in this one?
It shows two girls on a roller coaster, both looking very excited and thrilled as they ride.
Exactly. It's a dynamic scene. Let's start by describing their decision to go on this roller coaster. Which phrasal verb suits their action of choosing to ride despite possible fears?
They might have faced up to their fears to enjoy the ride.
Face up to is a good choice. It means to confront something difficult or scary head-on. Seeing how they are enjoying themselves, what phrasal verb describes their experience of embracing this thrill?
They are living up to the excitement of the roller coaster.
Live up to usually means to meet expectations, and here it captures how they are fully experiencing the ride's thrill. Now, considering the girl with her hands up, what phrasal verb would describe her action of letting go of her restraint?
She is letting loose by throwing her hands up in the air.
Perfect. Let loose means to act freely and uninhibitedly. What about when the ride ends and they reflect on their experience, feeling happy they did it?
They might look back on the ride fondly.
Look back means to think about something in the past, indeed. And finally, if they decide to go on the ride again because they enjoyed it so much, which phrasal verb would apply?
They would go back for another round.
Exactly. Go back means to return to a place or activity. You're using these idiomatic phrasal verbs very effectively, Sarah. It seems like you're really catching on to their usage in everyday English.
Thank you, Mr. Davis. These lessons spice up learning English, making it so much fun.
That's wonderful to hear. Incorporating fun into learning helps drill in the knowledge more effectively. Keep up the great work and we'll carry on with more phrasal verbs next time.